Bro, y'all look famous, bro. Where y'all from?
Hey, what's up? We're literally going to London. What? Yeah, we're about to go right now. Like, I'm like about to leave. Look at my stuff. And I was like, let me just record the beginning of the vlog. And you guys are just gonna like end up in London. You don't even have to travel. Basically a trench coat shorty. I have something to go under this, but I'm hot right now, so. Every time we go to the airport, thanks, so do you. Every time we go to the airport, Will literally has Clay, you know, the thing that like gets you through security faster, and we always beat him. He like thinks he's VIP signing up for his Clay. I'm the engineer, beat him every time. Like we're waiting on them, and they had this service that puts you through. So Will and B Sims are literally last, and we didn't even have to do anything. Our line was the best. What is going on here? Look at these, the troops. Right, I'm like, I'm cracking up. Yo, we look so cool in our sunnies and our trench coats and sweats. Wow, look at Nikki's Angels. Look at them. Hi.
Hi, welcome on board. Hello, welcome on board.
Wow, that's so nice. I'm flying on that side next time. So everybody, we're about to take off.
Very well welcome in our economy cabin. You may notice that not every seat is occupied tonight, but we do ask that you take your allocated seat for
Hi, mommy.
If
Hi,
you
Daddy.
have a cab book, you
Love you guys. Checking. I don't know where to look because I'm looking in the middle.
Don't look at yourself. Hello.
We're making a whole bunch of different sides.
This is the funnest.
They could have invited anybody, bro. This is crazy.
Why are you answering that question?
It's like 9:30. Right. That's why we're here.
No, I'm good now.
Okay, so we made it to the Airbnb. It's cute as heck. It's also 90 minutes away from London. It's a long story because everything was last minute. But yeah, we're here. We're unpacking. They're setting up the studio. I'm pouring some champ. They left this in the fridge for us when we came. Woo. Junior, what's going on?
Just got in town, you know, starting all the JV entertainment kind of a little rough. I blew my converter immediately, plugged it in because it was on converter mode, which is only used for hair dryers.
I booked an Airbnb that's an hour and a half away. So things are going great.
And they set all this up. The whole setup. But we have champs. I said, but we have champs.
Yeah, we use our computers to make sure everybody's phone has charge. Honey, you gotta get something.
See if that water works.
If you get some of this Prosecco.
Like
Bring the song old school way. We out here without
Right, with
the
the
technology.
instruments.
We got each other,
I got the
guys.
song. It could even be a thing where we write the song and we just have the acoustic.
Yeah. Oh, this one I like recorded.
Or do you think it's even necessary?
Nah,
that's
not
why
even
write
good.
it old school.
Let's just go.
Let's just write it on the phone.
Not even think about it.
Even use computers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Let's
It's
not
gonna
even
be great
think about
fun.
it.
It's a writer's camp. This is our first challenge. challenge.
This is crazy.
Yeah, our first challenge.
We have to drive. You know, we have to drive.
Cheers.
We made that here safely.
Yes.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Yo, so we can't plug anything in. We can't do any of the music. We can't write any songs. We can write songs. We're gonna figure it out. But there's a whole bunch of drama going on. Watch the other vlog if you want to catch up on it. I'm not about to do it on here, but this is my first time using a bidet. That's really why I wanted to do this. I've never used one before. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. Wish me luck.
A few moments later.
Honestly, why is every toilet not like that? Why is that not like the mandatory standard? Because like I feel so clean. There was this warm air feature. Like it literally sprays your bum with like warm air. That was nice. Because it was like a drying feature, like after it, you know, did the thing. I really enjoyed that. That was nice. I'm about to use the bathroom 15 times.
Why do we struggle with this?
The thing is, I'm glad that.
Slow it down.
Yeah, I was just. Why don't you slow it down?
Maybe like make it more suspenseful with the drumming pattern.
What's that?
Oh shit! You only see in London.
Yeah, back up, everybody. Back up.
Reminds them in London town.
Wow, handsome.
Angels. These angels.
Right. Good morning. Day 2, technically day 1 in London. I was supposed to wake up this morning and pause. Look at this view. Look how cute. We couldn't see how any of this looked. That's cute. This is my room. Tea. But yeah, I was supposed to woke up. I was supposed to wake up and go to the store with Junior to get some power converters because I didn't even tell you guys what happened. So really briefly, this Airbnb, perfect. It's beautiful. 2 things. 1, we came here for a writer's camp. We need to be able to write and make music. We can't plug any of our electronics up to the wall because the voltage of our power converters, it's not gonna work. 2, it's an hour and a half away from London, which is, an hour and 45 minutes. So it's way too far. We can't like keep going back and forth. So we either have to find a different place, hopefully get some credit or a refund back from these people. I don't know. We have a whole bunch of stuff to figure out today. So we may be here, we may not. So I was supposed to go with Junior to get some power converters and some breakfast. I slept through my alarm, which is crazy. So it is really crazy. I don't think I've ever done that. My voice, I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's what the deal is. We don't have anything to charge our camera, so we have to use our phone for content. It wouldn't be a trip if this wasn't happening, honestly. So let's go see who's up. I think B Sims is up and Junior just got back, so let's go say hi. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah.
So Junior woke up this morning.
I was just talking about how nobody woke up to you.
Yeah, it's okay. I really felt my conviction as older brother figure.
Honestly, like that's why you're the biggest, the oldest one.
That's your biggest brother.
That's why you're born first.
Exactly. It is. I love the kitchen. I'll be cooking all the time.
If it was 40 minutes outside the city, yeah, this would be like
What? The spot. We're out back exploring. These, I almost said grapes.
These look like cherries.
These look like cute little baby
A type of cherry.
apple grapes.
Wait till the phone's able to tell us what type of fruits on the tree.
Yeah, you could go like this and it scans it. And it's like, oh, this is that. Oh, this is cute. Look at their little garden. I'm so having a garden. I'm not trying to. It looks like another garden, where they grow certain herbs.
I feel like I want to buy
Oh, look how cute the house looks from here.
It's so cute.
It's chic. Cutesy house. Look at my room. Sorry, you can't see my room.
Hey.
Hey, we're getting some. I was supposed to pour this in the yogurt.
I was literally thinking like, damn, she better pour it in the yogurt. This yogurt. I thought this yogurt was Activia. I was like, whoa, Julia brought Activia.
They got my ass, man.
Did we throw away the little champagne glasses?
Oh, I threw them away. My bad. Damn, fuck.
This one's my glass. Actually, no, I like this one. So. Blue DJ, what's going
Currently
on?
live in Los Angeles. We negotiated with the owner to offer credit for a refund, and we would like to move into your property as soon as possible. Hey, squad lit. Come on, Nikki, with the fit. Ooh. All right, AJ. Will with the Prouders. Shit. Come on with the jacket, Sims. Come on, Sims with the jacket. Come on. Come on, Sims. Come on. Whole squad fucking lit.
And the purple and the red?
Yeah. Who the fuck did this color come?
Who they think they playing with? Who guy's name?
Who?
Bro, y'all look famous, bro. Where y'all from?
Y'all